Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we'll go through in the next series of videos through some of the privacy settings in Windows 11. And of course, it'll be all up to you to decide what you want to do and what level you want the privacy of your Windows 11 operating system. But of course, one of the questions I get asked a lot is Windows 11 more, does it actually send more data to Microsoft? Is it a privacy nightmare like a lot of people are saying? And is it worse than Windows 10 or the same? So here's the thing. Once again, everybody has its own belief of what privacy is. One thing for sure is that Microsoft uses a lot of the telemetry, mostly for bug fixing and for analyzing, what your computer can or cannot upgrade, or if, to see what are the major bugs that people are encountering, and of course they can fix it. Once again, people that believe that Microsoft is snooping on you, that's your belief, but there's no reason for Microsoft to do that. They don't really care about everybody's individual PCs, really. There's not even a reason for that, as they have so much other things to do than to start looking at people's data. But these are things that are, there are some people that have these beliefs. Whatever your beliefs are, basically, Microsoft didn't change much in terms of privacy settings in Windows 11. It is pretty much the same type of privacy that there was in the settings, and the things that are being sent are not worse, not better, just the same. They did not focus or address issues about some of the things that people want. And, there are reasons why, yes, you should listen to what people want. I mean, if whatever your belief, if you choose that you would like to have a PC that doesn't send any data or any telemetry, yes, indeed, you should be allowed to have such a system. Microsoft does not give you the possibility to turn off. It gives you possibility to minimize it, but not to turn it off. So that's the thing here. So we're going to go through some of that general privacy in Windows 11, as we did with Windows 10, and explain some of those privacy settings in more detail so that you guys know. And decide basically what you want to do in there for sure. And just keep in mind that whatever settings you had in Windows 10, you can pretty much duplicate the same settings in Windows 11. And whatever you're doing, like I said, Windows 11 doesn't send more data. It's pretty much the same standard thing that Windows 10 had. And it's funny that people go crazy on that, because every operating system, if you have an Android phone or if you have an iPhone, telemetry is being sent, and there is a lot of snooping around going on. And if you want to, because I hear that all the time. So, on iPhones you can turn it off. Yeah, that's a big joke. It's trying to make you believe that there's really nothing. In reality, it's not zero, and it's untrue that they totally shut it off. Can tell you that. So we'll be looking at that on this video and on the future videos. Well, this video, we're just saying that, same level. No, not worse, not better. And no switch to turn it off, which is also probably what the biggest rant that a lot of people have. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.